If you've been following me, you know patience is a virtue. Wait till the end to interact, being that this app grades us like we're taking the SATs or something. But I want to say I appreciate y'all that show love always. Enough with that. Let's get into the energetic breakdown of salt. What salt does and how it cleanses your field. So first up, we got Epsom salt. Its role, physical purge. The vibe, relax your muscles because they're screaming, I'm sore, I hurt. The release of that is tension stored in your muscles and your fascia. It's great for when stress has lodged itself into your shoulders like a tenant who won't leave. It gives it the eviction notice. It doesn't clear spiritual gunk, it clears body stress. Think of it as the body reset button, not the aura reset button. Amazing after spiritual warfare because your nervous system is fucking fried. When to use it? When you feel like a rubber band that's been stretched way too many times. Sea salt. Energetic purge. The vibe, let's delete every bitch's energetic fingerprint off the field. Energy function, clears aura residue, psychic sludge, envy, gunk, energetic attachments, breaks lingering cords, neutralizes other people's energy stuck to you. Basically a spiritual car wash, ocean coated, return to source frequency. Same as if you take a dip in the ocean water. That's a quick cleanse and reset. So when to use sea salt? When you've been around people with weird vibes, chaotic energy, jealousy, and emotional freaking sewage. 3, we got pink Himalayan salt. Roll, deep ancient cleansing, mineral recharge. The vibe, let me reset your entire frequency grid. Energy function, contains trace minerals that actually rebuild your field. Pulls out toxins and replenishes the aura at the same time. People say it's ground up giants, but you know, I don't know about that. Energetically, it's ancient earth frequency, geological memory, raw primordial energy, stabilizes your aura after trauma or heavy emotional dumps, grounds you while lifting your frequency. It's a rare combo. When to use it? When you need cleansing and rebuilding at the same time, perfect after crying, shadow work, or psychic burnout. Then we got baking soda, because I always say baking soda, 252 on a timer. The role, neutralizer and detacher. Vibe, let me dissolve all that bullshit frequency ASAP. Energy function, breaks down energetic residue and psychic film. Neutralizes acidic emotional energy, softens your field so real salts can pull the garbage out. Think of it as a pre-wash before the actual cleanse. So always put the baking soda with the salt. When to use? When you feel fuzzy, overloaded, or just off, but you can't pinpoint why. Here's a quick Cliff Notes rundown. Epsom salt is your tired ass body's chiropractor. Sea salt or a detox like you just left an exorcism. Pink salt, ancient earth. Mommy hugs with a frequency facelift. And baking soda equals a spiritual goo-gone. Mix and match based on what the hell happens to you that day. With that being said, if you made it this far, show me some love. And if you like my t-shirt, link is in the bio. And also, this whole educational piece there was 444 words. Divinely guided, divinely protected. You know how that goes. 420 is coming up on that timer. Lilith energy up in the house. And come back to see what I talk about next.